Hi everyone, we're OneConnect and we're here to empower your digital confidence. Whether you've been on Team iOS or Team Android for years, I can almost guarantee you're only using about 50% of what your smartphone can actually do. Today, we're diving into 10 genuinely hidden features, 5 for iPhone, 5 for Android, that'll fundamentally change how you use your phone every day. No basic turn on dark mode tips here. We're talking properly hidden game changers, so let's start with iOS. First up, your iPhone has an invisible button on the back that you probably didn't know existed. It's called Back Tap. Head over to Settings, Accessibility, Touch, and scroll all the way down to Back Tap. You can program a double tap or triple tap to trigger almost anything. Take a screenshot, turn on the torch, run a custom Siri shortcut like opening your favourite app, and it works right through most phone cases too. Stop downloading sketchy third-party document scanning apps. iOS has an enterprise-grade scanner built right into the Files and Notes apps. Just open Files, tap the 3 dots in the top right corner, and hit Scan Documents. Point your camera at any paper, and it automatically flattens, crops and converts it into a clean searchable PDF. You can even sign it directly on your screen. You probably know about live text for copying text out of photos, but did you know it does real-time conversations? Point your camera at a menu written in euros or yen, or a price tag in another country. Tap the live text icon in the bottom corner, then tap the price. iOS automatically converts it to the local currency on the spot. Works for unit conversions like miles to kilometres and temperature too. If you find yourself typing your email address, home address, or long boilerplate text over and over again, then set up text replacement. Go to Settings, General, Keyboard, Text Replacement. Hit the plus icon. Put your full email as the phrase and something like @ as the shortcut. Now, anytime you type @ your iPhone will instantly swap it for your full email address. It can save you minutes every single week. Do you want to lend your phone to a friend without stressing about them opening your private messages or photo gallery? Well, long press any app icon on your home screen and select Requires Face ID. You can choose to lock it or hide it entirely. If you hide it, the app gets removed from your home screen and tucked into a locked hidden apps folder in your app library that only opens with your face. If you want more personal help with this kind of thing, head over to the OneConnect website. Over there you can discover more expert tips and in-depth tutorials. Alright iOS users, step aside. Let's check out 5 hidden Android features that prove why Android remains the king of customization and utility. Have you ever accidentally swiped away an important notification before reading it? Android keeps a complete log of every alert you receive, but you have to turn it on. Go to Settings, Notifications, Notification History, and toggle it on. Next time you accidentally dismiss an email, message, or app alert, just jump back into this menu to read every single word you missed. Android takes privacy to another level with Private Space, or Secure Folder on Samsung devices. This isn't just hiding an app, it creates a completely isolated, encrypted digital vault on your phone. Apps inside Private Space run in a totally separate profile with their own data, accounts and notifications, protected by a separate PIN or fingerprint. Multitasking on Android is great, but opening 2 apps in split screen manually every time is a bit tedious. Use app pairs instead. Open any 2 apps in split screen mode, like YouTube in your Notes app, tap the middle divider bar or app switcher and tap Save App Pair. This puts a custom single icon on your home screen that launches both apps side by side in one tap. We've all been in that group chat where someone sends 20 individual short messages in a row and your phone just buzzes uncontrollably. Android solves this with notification cooldown. Head to Settings, Notifications, Notification Cooldown. When that's enabled, if an app sends you rapid fire notifications, the phone automatically lowers the volume and gentles the vibration for subsequent pings. Pure peace of mind. Finally, if you want your Android phone to feel twice as fast instantly, you can speed up its hidden animation scales. Go to Settings, Software Information, About Phone, and scroll down to Build Number, and then tap it 7 times until a pop-up says you are now a developer. Well done. Now go back to Settings, then go to Systems and Developer Options. Scroll down to the Drawing section and look for 3 settings: Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, and Animator Duration Scale. They default to 1x. You can change all 3 to 0.5x. Now swipe around your phone. Opening apps, switching menus, and popping open notifications will feel crazy fast and buttery smooth. So how many of those features did you actually know about? Drop your score out of 10 down in the comments. If you learned at least one new trick today, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who needs to get more out of their phone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.